We are entering now into day 3 of a partial government shutdown. The Senate wasn't able to strike a deal, shutting down roughly a quarter of the federal government. WMAR2 News' Chanel Pearman joins us live from the newsroom now. So, Chanel, what are local leaders having to say about this shutdown?
Megan, Governor Larry Hogan spoke out on the matter, calling on the federal government to take action. Hogan saying that federal employees should not be a pawn in this battle in Washington. Other lawmakers also commenting on the matter over the weekend. Senator Ben Cardin responding on Twitter saying there's no such thing as a good shutdown. Even a partial shutdown costs taxpayers money. He goes on to say it's certainly not fair to the federal public servants who would be directly affected. More than 420,000 will be working without pay. Senator Chris Van Hollen also taking to Twitter saying the government just shut down because the president threw a temper tantrum to satisfy conservative talking heads, and Republicans let him get away with it. This is not normal and will hurt both of our government and our economy. Congressional Republicans need to stop this madness. So government agencies like national parks and monuments were all closed, including the Fort McHenry Monument here in Baltimore. Well, there were no tours for visitors on Saturday, and it will remain closed during the shutdown. So Fort McHenry was also closed to visitors during the January 2018 government shutdown. And at this time, it's still not clear when this will end. Megan?
All right, Chanel Pearman, thank you very much for that report.